All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Jordan 1s, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day, man of the year, version 2. Apparently there's 3 versions. I actually ordered the purple vinyl from the website, and it has like another version that's supposedly like a leak or something, which sucks because I actually got the all black vinyl and now I had to buy this one, and I can't like cancel the other one, but whatever. Man of the year, I personally like version 2 just a little bit more than version 1. I know a lot of people were pissed about it, but amazing song. Go listen to it. It's awesome. But yeah, let's get into the pair of Jordan 1s I got. Okay, so this is the shoebox, and I actually got a size 9.5, which isn't my size. I'm usually a size 9. Retail was $170. I actually paid like $185 after tax and shipping. And this is the Jordan 1 Smoke Gray. And if you guys saw my releases for July, I said I wasn't gonna pick this shoe up, but last minute I was literally like getting breakfast or something, and I saw like it was 10 o'clock, so I just went on the sneakers app. I didn't think I was gonna get them because I was late as fuck, and I actually did, which is kind of sucks because, you know, does that mean like other people that were late got them? And they sold out hella quick. Apparently they were kind of limited, like there wasn't too many pairs, and a lot of shops didn't get their pairs, but you know, I got mine. I actually have I probably have like 2 or 3 pairs coming in also, because I'm gonna explain to you guys, this is gonna be an amazing shoe for profit later on. Resale is around $230 to $270 to $280 depending on what size you are. My like size 9.5 goes for around $255, I think, around on StockX at the time of me recording this, and that's not a lot, but I could definitely see the shoe going for around $380, $400, maybe even $500 in like a couple months. Because think about it, a week from now, once everybody forgets about this shoe, the prices are gonna go up because, you know, people aren't buying as much. So prices are gonna go up. So if you want this pair, buy it now. I know one of my friends is buying like a couple pairs off of StockX for $240, which is a lot, but if you're able to like get them for like a good amount of money, like $240, I don't know, maybe even like $250, $280, not $280, $260, definitely pick them up because they're gonna be worth a lot, especially GS sizes. If you can get a GS size for maybe like $200, that's perfect. I'm personally gonna be holding this, but yeah, let me actually show you guys the shoe. It's just a nice gray suede, and if you know the smell of Jordan 1s, like, you know, bro, this shoe smells good. Which is weird. Like it has a very heavy smell, like more than like any other Jordan 1 I've ever had. Like this one smells like a lot, which I don't know if that's a good thing. I mean, it smells so fine, like it smells good, so it's not necessarily a bad thing. It comes with extra white laces, by the way. Okay, let me spin these around. In my opinion, these are okay. Like, it's nothing crazy. I did see one picture though that somebody put the yellow laces to match like the unions, because, you know, the unions is just like red at the bottom, white at the top, and it looks so good. So I don't know, maybe if I decide to wear these like later on, I'll probably do that, even though I probably won't. I really just want to sell these like in 6 months or so. But yeah, let me show you guys the inside. Nike Air. And overall, it's just a really good shoe. Like, it's nothing too crazy. Suede at the top, which this personally I do not like. Would have rather that they did like something else here, but it's suede. This suede is really soft and buttery. Leather quality, this one is okay. Like, it's not too bad, but this one right here is soft. Like, it's really good quality. Also, this suede. Show you guys the Air Jordan. Let me know if you guys picked these up. I know a lot of people took L's. Apparently they were pretty limited. But yeah, these are really dope. Also, the quality on this leather up here is really soft, really good quality. But yeah, let me actually lace these up and show you how they look. Okay, so this is how the shoes look fully laced up. And one thing I did notice about this shoe, if you can see like all like the little white speckles on the laces, that's actually from the suede, which is weird because I've never had that happen on a shoe before. But yeah, just so you guys know, that could happen with your pair. There is a lot of it, like it's crazy. But yeah, I'm not gonna go like too crazy with the on feet, like stepping around and shit, because again, I'm not gonna be keeping these. Probably I am gonna sell them. And you know, just so you guys know, I'm not gonna like pass these off as like dead stock or whatever, even though like technically they could be. But I am gonna tell like the person that's gonna be buying my pair that I did try them on at least once. Yeah, let me just show you guys the tag also. The shoe tag. But yeah, let me show you guys how these look on feet. Okay, so this is how they look on feet. I got a size 9.5, so they are a little bit big on me. But yeah, they look really clean on feet. Honestly, if I saw somebody with them, like, I'll be like, oh yeah, that's a dope fit. But yeah, let me show you guys how they look. Oh, these laces are in the way. Let me move that. But yeah, they look really dope. I don't know what you could rock with them. Maybe something like a red top or something. I don't know. Overall, like if you're planning on picking these up as a personal, like I said, buy them now. I'm personally not going to be keeping these just because I feel like there's other shoes that I would rather wear and keep. But they do look dope. I can't knock you if you're into them. I get it. They kind of look like the Unions. Seen a lot of people call them like the poor man Unions, but they're really nice. The materials are good too. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought about this shoe. Personally, again, not keeping them. Let me know if you guys copped. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.